Losing suction? Your robot vacuum is not as powerful as it was on day one. And it's not because the battery is dying. It's because the airflow system is slowly choking. Fine dust builds up inside the filter. It coats tight internal air channels. The motor still spins at full speed. It still sounds strong. But airflow can quietly drop by 20 to 30%. And that's only part of the problem. Hair wraps around the brush, reducing agitation. Microdust seals the secondary mesh. Slightly worn wheels lower floor pressure. No error message. No warning light. No dramatic failure. Just silent performance decay. That's why your robot doesn't suddenly stop working. It just becomes less effective, month after month.